Today we're gonna get this Kristen Stewart look from the new Chanel campaign. I love Chanel smoky eyes. I think they are just the epitome of just perfection, and this look is no different. It's very easy to accomplish, so let's do it together. Okay, first we're going to start with this little chubby stick. Now in this look, she kind of has like a reddish, burgundy, pinky, sort of like tired eye. So we're going to recreate that. Chanel does a smoky eye on a supermodel so well. So that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see the tutorials on Instagram. That's what I want to see on the We Love Coco. Like, if anyone from Chanel is out there listening, just know, like, that's what we want to see. Now that I've put down that little base, I'm going to take this shadow. So we're going to take a little bit here and just kind of brush that across. We don't want too much shadow in the crease. We kind of want to keep that shadow on the lid. I'm going to take that same shadow and I'm going to go really, really close. I'm just going to take a clean brush, a clean little blending brush. I want to make sure that all of this shadow that I put on top of that cream shadow is kind of all blended in. Now we're going to take the Shiseido MicroInk Liner in the shade Plum, and we're gonna go inner rim, and then we're gonna go right in between these lashes. Look at how smoky your eye looks when you just kind of trace in between your lash line, and you just coat all those little lashes, and it just looks like it's just the best. I'm gonna go waterline again, and then same thing. I just want to go in between these lashes, so I just kind of pull up and wiggle. I'm going to take my shadow brush again, and I'm going to take this color, the middle one, tap a little bit off in my hand and just kind of go for it. And I'm going to go just under, and whatever sticks to that eyeliner will stick, and it'll just make it look a little bit more crunchy, a little bit more grungy. I think this is it. It wasn't a super crazy eye look. It wasn't something that was overly complicated. It was extremely wearable and doable. Try it. I really hope that you enjoy it. Like I said, super easy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.